don't need that. You're gonna think, all right, I want to move the hand. Yeah? And so to pretend you're activated, what you're gonna do is move your hands. And that's gonna send the signal all the way along, and then you are gonna move your hands. Yay! So, and when you think, oh, I'm done moving my hand, you're gonna stop being activated, right? Yeah. And so what I study is actually a brain disease called Parkinson's. I don't know if you've ever heard of it, but what happens sometimes is, this is perfect, you let go of your hands, and sometimes what happens is some of the brain cells, they stop working.
Oh, there he is!
Yeah, and so in Parkinson's, what happens is sometimes if you say, oh, I want to move my hand, but that brain cell isn't working, it doesn't go all the way to the hand, does it? So that's what happens sometimes when people have a brain disease. And what's really interesting is these flies. These are fruit flies. And they actually have the same kinds of problems that people can have. So I'm actually studying what the neurons in these flies are doing. So these flies have a brain disease called Parkinson's. They have the same genes that people have. And we've made mutations of them, so they don't work as well. So what I'm doing is I'm studying this in the lab, and I'm saying, okay, what do you think will happen with these flies if they have that brain problem? They'll go sour, exactly. So what we can do is we can knock them down to the bottom, and then have a bit of a race. And can you see which ones do you think are the normal ones, and which ones do you think have the problem? Yeah, these ones have the problem, and those ones are the ones that are doing well. Yeah. And so what I do is I make some changes to these, and I say, oh, what can help, and what might make things worse. And there are some brain sweets. Did you guys have to try those?